Okay, welcome to my class. Today we are going to talk about food quality assurance, and it's our introduction to the unit. Now, before you proceed, I want to advise you to go and sign in your attendance in the LMS as we proceed with the lesson. Kindly do so before our lesson time is over. Now, okay, sorry, I had to admit one of you. Now, we're going to talk about introduction to quality to food quality assurance, as mentioned earlier, and we are going to have to go with these objectives. That by the end of this session, you should be able to define the terms used in quality assurance. You should also be able to differentiate between quality control and quality assurance. The last objective for this class is going to be that you should be able to interpret the concept of food quality. Now, that being said and done, we get back to the business of today. Now, from this slide, you can see we have two breads, two pictures of bread. So we have a term here to start with called quality. Now, just a quick one. Who can define what is quality? Mtinda, unmute and define for us quality. Mtinda, where are you? Any other person who can be able to define? Yes, define quality, please.
Hello.
Hello. Will you please define for us quality?
Hello.
Hello, we are getting you. Mtinda? Yes, define quality kindly.
Yes.
Define for us the word quality, the term quality.
The term quality.
Yes. Now, just to
my understanding, it will mean either the ingredients which are in a product.
Yes, thank you. That is a good trial. Now, as we can see from this picture, we have images of bread. Now, this bread, there are attributes that will make you go to buy a certain brand of bread and not another one. Now, one will go for the slicing, one will go for the color, another one will go for the softness, another one will go for the freshness. Now, all of these are what we call characteristics or attributes. These attributes that are the ones that will make you have a preference over one type of product and not the other. That is what we now call quality. Now, therefore, quality is the extent to which product, services, processes, and relationships are free from defects. We see that quality is the standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. We can also say is the degree of excellence of a product. Now we proceed to the components of product quality. We get that product quality is a huge word. So we got components which include quality assurance. Now, what is quality assurance? Quality assurance in the food industry means is the management method that is defined as all those planned and systematic actions needed to provide adequate confidence that a product or service or result will satisfy given requirements for quality to be fit for use. Now, quality assurance involves effective tracking of problems, reports, and customer complaints in an effort to resolve the queries in a timely manner. Now we have another term here, quality control. Quality control can be defined as the process through which a company seeks to ensure the product quality is maintained or improved. It can also be described as a group of activities um, designed to assure a standard of excellence. Now, quality also involves testing units and determining if they are within specifications for the final product. We proceed to another term called quality management. This term means that is an act of overseeing all activities and tasks that must be accomplished to maintain a desired level of excellence. Now, quality management will include determination of product policy, creating and implementing quality planning and assurance, quality control, and quality improvement. Now, the difference between quality control and quality assurance is that um, um, quality control, in contrast to quality control, quality assurance is the implementation of quality checks and procedure to immediately correct any failures and mistakes that is able to reduce the quality of the interim product at any production step. Now, another difference is that quality control will involve a certain set of team of individuals who make a team, and quality assurance will involve the whole process, therefore involve everyone involved in the production of that particular product. Now, we come to the concept of food quality. Food quality, as we know, is a heterogeneous term, meaning quality is directly related to an individual perception or a consumer. This is the end user. You as a person will have a different perception to a product, and this perception will not be the same as your friend or another person. So, food quality can be defined in a three-dimensional category consisting of search, experience, and credence. Now, what is the dimension of search? This one is reflected by the buyer's individual perception of quality at the place of purchase using prior knowledge. Therefore, you will go to the market and buy a product because you've seen it being advertised. That is prior knowledge, or you've used it some other time, or you just know something about it. Now, another dimension is the experience. Here, under the experience, you'll buy a product depending on the experience you've had or how you've interacted with the product. Now, the third dimension is about the dimension of credence. Here, quality can be regarded as in the case of an average consumer who rarely or never subjectively perceive the quality of the product, but buy it because they gathered information from others. You might be, you as a consumer, you love using mandazi, but because every day your friends talk about Sunblest or Superloaf, you go to the market and buy Superloaf. Now, this is the dimension of credence. Now, we proceed to how another category of now another way we can define food product quality. This one is we can define we can base our argument on the consumer, manufacturer, or the product. As a customer, product quality will refer to its appeal, functionality, and durability, and also reliability of the product to you as a customer. Now, the next we view food product as a from the manufacturer point of view. Quality will be viewed as an engineering or the type of raw material used to make that product, or the packaging practice used in the production of a specific product. So companies will come up with different activities to improve the product quality of their products. That is now on the basis of the manufacturer. And lastly, we can define food product quality as a product itself. This one will mean that more of an objective test of a product's durability and reliability. Now, in conclusion, we're going to talk about characteristics of food product quality. These characteristics are very many, but we shall just touch on a few important ones. First of all, we have fitness for use. That's a very important characteristic of quality. Another one is safety, very important. Another one is freedom from deficiency or defect. You cannot buy a bread that has a defect, or a bread that has its seal opened. And another one is conformance to standard. You have to buy products that are conforming to the set standards. Then another one is reliability and dependable, and also quality conformance to needs and regulations. Now, that marks the end of our class. Now, I have got an assignment. You go back and check on the LMS, which is required by the next class. Thank you for your time. Enjoy your evening. Um, that's all for today.